There's what's left of the old core plug. Freeze plug. Wasn't very smiley when I was on the side of the road. This is the size we're carving the core plug to. Gonna happen. Bush fig. Gonna have to drive it in about halfway. Should swell up when water gets in there. There's mushrooms growing out the end of this. It's in this engine block, this core plug. Another wooden core plug on the back of the engine. At least this one isn't rotten and growing mushrooms. It's been there 3 months. But we're about to change that. No more wood in the engine block. Here's the wooden core plug after 3 months. You have to knock a hole in them to get them loose.